Robotic components are often integrated into the workplace to perform repetitive or dangerous tasks in order to increase production in less time. With 80/20 products, you can build a lightweight, durable solution that provides adjustability and structural integrity. You can easily mount wires, cords, and other electrical components to their precise locations on the T-slot profiles. Create any robotic solution by integrating framing for robotic components, custom enclosures, end-of-arm tooling support, and more. Decrease cycle times and increase safety by building a strong, durable robotic solution. Our specialists can help you design your custom solution. Contact us today to get started.